Hey there, I'm Mark Newman-Kuzel, President and CEO of Made in USA, and today I'm going to teach you how to remove lime scale from shower doors. You're going to need a few products for this. A soft sponge, yellow with scruffy reverse is my sponge of choice. Lime and scale remover, some paper towels, and then we're going to wrap it up with some glass cleaner. Your bucket of water. Make sure you have gloves on if you're skin sensitive, and always have the window open and the fan going. The first step is to spray. Be sure you don't stream, because if you have it on stream, that's a powerful force. Step 2 is just going to scrub the glass. Actually, more wipe with some good scrubbing elbow grease, because use the soft side of the sponge. Your bucket of water. Just kind of rinse that off a little. Put your product down. I'm going to take my paper towels. White 2-ply with no ink is paper towel of choice. Just fold it over a few times so you can use the same paper towel when you're using your glass cleaner. Turn my paper towel around like that, so I have that same paper towel, not wasting any of it, because I'm saving the environment, being a member of Greenpeace. Spray that glass cleaner. Cinch glass cleaner is my favorite. So when you or your guests walk into the bathroom, it's got that nice, sweet perfume smell. Look how clean that is. Don't see a spot for miles. That's how you clean a shower glass door of any minerals and deposits. I'm Mark Newman-Kuzel with Made in USA.